First thing first, when you're taking the sugar, there is a high chances and a very natural tendency for us to shake the sachet, right? Some people also do. All of these are distractions, so these are something that we will not do. No shaking and no tapping. When you're taking the sugar out, just gently lift it from one side, tear it right in the middle. And this also gives you control how much you want to add. So if you want the entire sugar, then you will go completely first from the left hand side, okay? And then you will go completely from the right hand side without tapping, without making much. Once you have done adding all the sugar, just fold the open ends of it, close it once, okay? Neatly just put it on the side of your cup. Everything that you have used goes in your saucer, okay? It doesn't go outside. It definitely does not go back over here. That's a big no.